Did you know you have less than 4 seconds to capture your visitor's attention? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your dropshipping products into collections, allowing your customers to find what they are looking for as quickly as possible, increasing your chances of conversion. If you're a first-time viewer, my name is Jeff. I worked at Shopify for 3 years and have reviewed hundreds of stores struggling with conversions. The purpose of this channel is to help you identify and fix the mistakes that are costing you sales. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We regularly post the most up-to-date dropshipping strategies as well as winning product videos. And as you know, with trending products, time is of the essence. Now, first things first, what is a collection? A collection is simply a group of products, and one thing that people sometimes misunderstand at the start is that yes, you can have one product in more than one collection at the same time. For example, let's say we have our catalog here, we have ladies wear. Let's say that we also had some ladies bags here. So if we look at our back end, we actually do have some bags here. So this bag here could both be in the ladies collection, as well as, for instance, if I had an accessories collection, which we're going to get into, then it could also go in the accessories collection at the same time. There's no issue there. The next point is, what do you do first, a collection or a product? Because it's kind of the chicken or the egg thing. I would suggest you first go into a collection and figure out how you want to go about creating your collections, because there are two main types. So let's go in and actually create a collection here. I'm going to click on collections and then create collection. Now you'll notice right away that there are two types of collections. There are manual collections and automated collections. Automated collections are incredibly powerful, and I would suggest them above manual. However, let's do a manual collection first, just to keep things simple and straightforward. When creating any collection, there are two things you require. One is a title and the other is an image. I'm going to title this one Manual Collection, and then I'm going to add a collection image in. Just for simplicity's sake, I've just used our logo here as an image, and now I'm going to click on Save. I can either search for a particular product or click on Browse and just click whichever products I wish to add to this particular collection. You can see right away that the collection has been created, and if I want to, I can even view what this would look like on the front side of our store. You can see here how it has the image in the background, the name, and the products that we have selected for our manual collection. So that's all you need to do for manual collections. Now I want to show you what automated collections are and how they work. So now that I've titled my collection accessories, I'm going to add a collection image here. So there we go. There's our nice little image for our accessories, and I'm going to make sure that this is automated. Now, when it's automated, you have a whole bunch of different options. So we can say, we want anything in terms of title or type or vendor. Typically, I do really like product tags, but we'll get into that in a second. For now, let's keep it simple, and let's just say the product title contains, for now, let's say bag, and then let's add another condition. The product title contains, let's say, watch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say any condition, because we're not going to have a product that is both a bag and a watch, or at least contains bag and watch in the same title. So let's do that and see what we get. Click and save. Now you can see that Shopify has grabbed all the products that include watch or bag in their title and put them into a collection, which we can actually view over here. You can see that everything is now nicely displayed in the collection. So let's go into the usefulness of product tags and using product tags in our collections. So going back to one of our bags here, we can see it's set up, it's very basic. If we wanted to, we can manually add it to a collection there, so that is a possibility. However, let's say that this is one of the products that we're adding into our store. It's very useful to include product tags. These are amazing because product tags, except for one or two themes, the customer is never going to see them, but they are an incredible way of organizing your collections. So for example, for this bag here, we can say it is, well, let's say it's a bag. It's also for women, so we can put women in there. We could say summer. It's also a summer product. It's also an accessory, so we could do that. And here we go. You can see all the tags that we put on it here. And then let's click save to make sure that those tags are associated with that. And then I'm going to actually do this to a couple other products and then show you what you can do with it. So I've gone through and I've tagged all my watches and bags as accessories. I've also differentiated them with another tag of men and women, as well as summer for the bags. So let's go through and let's see what sort of collections we can make from these guys. So here I've quickly created a collection of men's watches, and I've set it so that the products have to have both the product tag of watch as well as a product tag of men. Let's click save. Now that Shopify's updated itself, you can see it automatically pulled out the men's watches and has created a collection for me that I can now view on my store, like so. Similarly, let's create a women's accessories one. I'm going to say automated, product tag is equal to women, and accessory, all of those conditions have to be matched. Let's click save. And just like that, our collection has automatically been created with all of the women's accessories, including bags and watches, which we can also take a look at from the front end. There you go. It's beautiful and it's done. Now, the power of these automated collections is exceptional, especially when you're doing things like sales or seasonal things such as, summer, spring. It can be exceptionally useful and it's super duper fast to do. So I would highly recommend using tags. You can use a whole bunch of other different options here. But overall, there you go. We've done both a manual collection and an automated collection. If you're a dropshipper with high traffic and no sales, we have a free 5-step guide that will help you develop a profitable ad strategy, learn how to generate free traffic, and help you find winning products that people can't wait to buy. Transform your Shopify store into a professional, trustworthy store that customers can't wait to shop at. Check out the description box below for more information. If you like this video, make sure to check out our video on how to set up proper navigation. Proper navigation allows customers to get to the products they are looking for quickly, which greatly increases your chances of a conversion. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.